Relying on a neighbor for something. It happens all the time, right? Maybe we look to a church member, someone from the local community helping out in a time of crisis. It's instinctive to a lot of us. In this week's Do My Job, though, I found a job in Oldsmar that is helping out in a big way. They get that help from all over the world, and it involves blood.
This could save someone's life one day.
A job so important it could help save lives one day? Talk about feeling the pressure of doing that job. Of course, once I found out what the wonderful life-saving folks at Cryo-Cell did for a living, I felt a lot more at ease.
We get cord blood, umbilical cord blood samples from individuals who have delivered a baby and choose to bank their cord blood because of all of the very important stem cells that are present that may be useful for them or their family in the future.
Okay, that's no different from everyone else's job, right? Sounds perfectly normal. Baby's blood from the cord that formed their belly button is shipped in a box to labs in Oldsmar. Then these really smart people called stem cell technologists have to make sure that blood is okay to use.
We treat everything that we get in like it is potentially infectious, which is why we're also wearing gloves, protect ourselves as well as protect the product from us. Then we get the maternal blood samples as well in here, which we will test for infectious diseases. That way we know for a fact whether or not this has something in it that the parent or doctor potentially doing a transfusion should be worried about.
All right, so from there, Keith's job really starts to feel like it's part of a sci-fi movie. The blood is labeled, entered into a computer, and then passed on to another room. After a series of really cool outfit changes, pajamas. Let's go get some stem cells. The actual process of collecting stem cells begins, which might make people who can't stand the sight of blood a little queasy.
This will actually be the final product in here. Okay. So it may not look like a lot, but like we just said, there's millions upon millions of cells in any of these samples.
Okay, so a bad day for me would messing up name of a local town or a local city.
I can't mess up. I'm not allowed to mess up. And I won't, you know.
So paying attention.
Making
is sure you're not hungry,
important.
you're not sleepy, you're not tired. You're not thinking about your fantasy football league.
Good thing it's the off season, because God knows I'll be thinking about it when the season comes around.
Right. And once packaged, they're stored in this room for the possibility of being used in the future.
So this is preventative, and it's just like anything else. You don't ever want to use your life insurance, but it's there just in case.
I'm sure people are thankful for that.
Oh, definitely, definitely.
The job of a stem cell technologist. Sure, it's technical and they handle blood all day, but more importantly, it's a job that provides assurance to nearly 500,000 parents from 87 countries that their family's future health is in good hands. And Cryo-Cell has been around since 1992. More than 25,000 transplants have taken place worldwide to treat nearly 80 diseases. The cost to enroll ranges from $1,200 up to more than $2,000.